Hey guys, what's up? Hope you all are doing well. So welcome to our YouTube channel Technical Ubad. We are back again with a new video. So before starting the video, it's my request to make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel Technical Ubad and also press the bell icon. So basically in today's video I will tell you about a best application which will provide you revenue on the basis of steps you will take. So again, it's my request to make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel because we are providing you best content from the last 1 year. So that's why please support us. We need your support for growing. So now let's start the today's tutorial. Basically we will find this application on Play Store. So we simply need to open the Play Store, and here we have the application sweatcoin. This application have 1 million reviews and 4.3 star rating and 50 million plus downloads. Now let's talk about its features. It pays to work. 150 million users of this application are present. Work more, earn sweet coins. So spend it in the marketplace. We can spend these sweet coins in marketplace. Also boost your daily activity limit. We can increase our daily activity limit also and receive daily bonus. We can also receive a bonus on the daily basis from this application. And sweet queen for good, planet trees for Africa. This option is for good things. Get 2x sweet coins for every step if we purchase the premium package of this application. Then we will get 2x sweet coins on every step. And review your daily activity. We can also review our daily activity from the application. We have the option earning summary here. Today we daily rewards, boost reward, daily rewards, 3x3 spending history. We have all the record are present here in this application. And now let's talk about data safety. Safety starts with providing how developers collect and share your data, and no data shared with third parties. About learn more. So this application is basically totally safe. There is no access for third party apps, so that's why this is totally safe. And data is encrypted and transferred. You can request that data to be deleted, and that's why this is a perfect application. The rating of application is 4.3 star, and this is also available on Play Store. That's why this is totally safe. So I recommend you, if you are crazy in exercise, crazy in gym, work out, so then this application is for you. So this is basically our today's tutorial. If you like the video, then please subscribe our YouTube channel and share this video with your friend to become a part of our family. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.